Incredible confirmation of support for Bitcoin. Now that we have also held the 20 moving average, this is a suggestion of a new high. And of course, going beyond this high would then suggest that we're tackling the previous all-time high, $73,700. Now, what does this suggest? It means that this move, this correction that we've just saw over the past couple of weeks, is setting up this huge breakout and forcing a new all-time high. What does this entail for the altcoins? It means you need to pack those bags, because any of those altcoins that have actually continued to go down in this period, they are going to be forced to bottom out, and in turn Bitcoin will bring the confidence back up into the market, and then all altcoins will start to break out, and in terms of percentage gains will bring better percentage returns, of course. Now, this all comes from what happened down over here at 56k. If you remember, on the 1st of May, I made a video suggesting with the title, they don't want us to believe in 100k. And that's what I was suggesting from this targeted price down over here, 56k. We were saying that the next move for Bitcoin is actually 100k. And that if we can confirm 59k back as support, that's the bottom. It's in. The next move is a break of the all-time high. Now, it's taken a good month or so just to get up to this price point, and we still have yet to go ahead and break the high. But what I said a month ago still applies today. Just the in-between might throw you off, the waiting period, because it has been a month and we are yet to break the high. Although that's the next move, a month has passed and it still has not yet done that. But understand that on the daily time frame where we do all our analysis, things can take months on end. Remember that this 200 EMA down over here is creating an average of the last 200 days. So any correction above this moving average is a bullish correction. This is why, with what was going on with the loss of 59k and then the reclaim all happening above the 200 EMA, was suggesting to me that this bearish move that lost 59k in the first place was a false breakdown, because it's tricking you into believing we are now in a downtrend because we're putting in a new lower low. But it's all occurring above this 200-day average, and if price is above it, we are bullish. That does, of course, mean as well that any dip that we see on the daily time frame, while price is above this, so the dip initiated over here above the 200 EMA, so this dip is looking to finish before the 200 EMA is lost to retain the bull market. And we've retained the bull market by reclaiming 59k. By holding above 59k, you're confirming that's it, we're not going lower. We lost it, we reclaimed it, it's now bullish again, no longer bearish. And then we spotted all the patterns and all the targets of the breakout. So this inverse head and shoulders met the target. That is making a higher high above this point. When we lost 59k, that's a lower low. So let's now maintain this lower high here to continue lower. That wasn't the case. We created a higher low here, and then a higher high needs to precede this. So not only did we break this high, but this high, and this is a very significant one because it's within the golden pocket. And what we're trying to see with the golden pocket to confirm 100k is it being turned into support, and that's what we've been seeing over the past couple of weeks since towards the end of May. And now pretty much resetting this newly formed uptrend. We got the daily bullish cross, a signal that you cannot ignore. And now we're expecting further continuation upside, not only for Bitcoin, but finally for those alts that have actually continued going down. The reason why they've continued going down is because Bitcoin needs to bring confidence in the market. And there's no question about it when Bitcoin puts in a new all-time high. And so basically, you could even wait until that moment to do your first ever dip DCA, the moment Bitcoin puts in a new all-time high, because that's when all alts are now forced to go bottom and go up. Because yes, in this last couple of weeks, in this last month, we have seen some alts reacting nicely with Bitcoin, such as Pepe and Wojak, some of the meme coins. There are some other coins as well, but some of them have not been as reactive. Some of them have continued to put in new lows. Some of them have just stabilized. Some of them went up, reacted with Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin puts in the new all-time high, everything will just follow Bitcoin. Everything will bottom out. Everything will go up. But until that new high, that's why you're seeing some not as reactive as others. That's it from me today. Make sure you're packing those RWA and AI coin bags, and I'll catch you in the next update. Follow me on all social media platforms. Twitter is down below. Also, to get into my Discord community for those weekly live streams where I mentor you on how to become a self-sufficient trader, a person that doesn't even need my help. I'll teach you all the fibs, all their meanings, the paths that come with them, why we use EMAs with fibs. It's all advanced support and resistance pretty much. And all you need to go ahead and learn are the paths that come with the Fibonacci's, because the fibs are telling you up and down. Whether we're going in an uptrend or a downtrend, it is telling you exactly where to go and exactly where to expect either rejections or bounces, and where your targets are expected to be at, and where you're going to reject after meeting those targets, and all the supports that come after rejecting. So if you want to learn this all, message me. Links are down below. Message me on Twitter, or if you want to head straight over to the website, the link is in the description of the video, the pinned comment section. Head over to the website, sign up for the Discord membership, and you'll get weekly live streams in there. Cheers, everyone.